What's up, everyone? Without a brake line flare, you're tempting fate. Driving without proper flaring can cause leaks in the brake line, limiting hydraulic pressure and causing brakes to fail. However, flaring a brake line requires a capable brake flaring tool that limits poor or inconsistent flaring, possesses durability, and has all the necessary components to get you back on the road quickly. There are a number of options in the market, which makes it difficult to choose the best one. In this video, we compiled a list of the top 5 best brake line flaring tools on the market today. Be sure to watch till the end for our best recommendation. If you want more information or updated pricing on the products mentioned here, check out the links in the description below. If you have another product you'd like us to review, let us know by leaving a comment down below. So without further ado, let's get started. First we have Best Bubble Flare Tool for Brake Lines, Aries 18010. Thanks to its versatility, this tool can do numerous types of flares and lines. On top of brake lines, this kit can also handle transmission cooler lines and fuel lines in all types of metals. This can also be a squeezable hydraulic handle and has more dies and adapters than other kits. Its pros are, it makes flares on multiple types of lines. Its hydraulic assembly provides ease of use. It's usable for brake lines both off and on the car. It creates double, bubble, push connect, and GM-style flares. And it cuts all commonly used brake light metals, including stainless steel. However, it's not recommended for beginners. And it has a higher price than non-hydraulic options. Bottom line is, tubing size, 3/16 inch to 1/2 inch, 4.75 mm to 10 mm. Flare type, 45 degree single or double flares, ISO and DIN bubble flares, push connect flares, and GM fuel line flares. Use on or off vehicle. Can be used on or off the vehicle. Next we have Best Double Flare Tool for Brake Lines, Lisle 33260. This tool is consistently rated as one of the top options for double flares. Because it's designed specifically for double flares, these flares are often more precise than other flaring options. Its pros are, it's lightweight at just 1.8 pounds. Its design allows the user to work in tight spaces. The proper tubing length is ensured thanks to a depth stop. It can be used to flare brake lines that are still attached to the car. And the tubing is centered each time thanks to heavy-duty vise assembly. However, you can't create bubble flares, and there's not as many adapters as other kits. Bottom line is, tubing size, 3/16 inch and 1/4 inch. Flare type, double flare, 45 degree. Use on or off vehicle. Bulky, but can be used on the vehicle. Next we have Best for the Money, GEARWRENCH KDS 41870. With 4 different metric flaring tool adapters, this kit makes both bubbles and double flaring a cinch. This flaring tool is also a great choice for beginners due to its ease of use. This kit includes flaring tool adapters with 4.7 mm, 6 mm, 8 mm, and 10 mm. Its pros are, it's great for beginners to double flares. It has a convenient, easy-to-store plastic case. It has the feel of a much higher-priced flaring kit. It has a blow-molded case for organization and storage. And it provides instructions on chamfering and deburring. However, it doesn't work on stainless steel tubing, and the instructions contained are for double flares and not bubble flares. Bottom line is, tubing size, 4.7, 6, 8, and 10 mm. Flare type, bubble, 45 degree. Use on or off vehicle. Awkward to use on car, but possible. Next we have runner-up, OTC 6502. This flaring tool has practical applications for any type of brake flaring done at home. Plus, this flaring kit can also create flares for fuel lines and AC lines, making it more versatile than some of the other options. Its pros are, it's a great value for the money. It comes with a 1-year warranty. It has thorough instructions making flaring a breeze. It's more affordable than hydraulic brake flaring alternatives. And it creates flares in both metric and imperial measurements. However, the tube cutter takes longer than some other flaring kits. And a file is not included, which is required to smooth the edge of the brake line. Bottom line is, tubing size, 3/16 inch to 1/2 inch, 4.75 mm to 10 mm, plus more on some flares. Flare type, single, double, and bubble at 45 degrees. Use on or off vehicle. Awkward to use on car, but possible. Finally, we have Best Overall and Best Eastwood Brake Line Flaring Tool, Eastwood PTFL 150 A32 5304. This is ideal for all types of brake lines. Thanks to its design and durability, it's easy to use on all types of metals, making a perfect flare regardless of the hardness of the metal. In addition, the process of creating flares takes only a few minutes, making it ideal for quick repairs. Its pros are: it's heavy-duty for prolonged life. It's easy to use even for novice mechanics. It makes flares more quickly than other options. It creates single, double, bubble, and GM-style brake line flares. And the compact turret-style tool provides ease of use while the brake line is still attached to the vehicle. However, it requires a vise for use, and it can't be used while the brake line is on the vehicle. Bottom line is, tubing size, 3/16 inch, 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, 3/8 inch, and 4.75 millimeter. Flaring type, double and bubble, 45 degree. Use on or off vehicle, moderately easy to use on a car. There you have it, our top 5 best brake line flaring tools on the market. Check out the links in the description below for detailed information and latest pricing. If you thought this video was helpful, please smash that like button and consider subscribing. If you didn't, let me know why in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.